one of the challenges that most people face in creating AI-generated faceless video that it costs money. Let me explain. We probably use the ChatGPT free version for script generation. But if your goal is to create a unique channel, you will need a paid version. So it costs around $20 a month. Then you need to use ultra-realistic AI voice. If you use 11 Labs, it will cost $22 a month. And then you need to generate images and videos. If you use Mid-Journey, it costs around $10 a month, so it's approximately around $52 a month. But not anymore. Creating faceless videos for YouTube and Instagram is easier than ever now, with the help of this video automation AI tool. In today's video, I'm going to introduce a cost-friendly AI tool that you can use to create videos for your YouTube channel or Instagram. The crazy thing is that it doesn't matter what your niche is. This AI can create videos for any niche. So without wasting any more time, let's find out what this AI tool is. Okay, so this AI is called Smart Short. You will get the link in the description. So why this AI tool is important? Because it can create unique and natural scripts and an engaging video in minutes. A lot of AI-generated scripts sound like robotic, but this AI can generate more natural scripts. You will also have access to all the voices from 11 Labs in this tool. Finally, this AI can generate images for each scenario exactly as you expect and edit those in minutes. It's an all-in-one automation tool that can do all the work. Let me show you how you can use this AI to begin the video creation process first. Go to Smart Short. Now, as you can see here, you can create videos in different languages. There are around 16 languages available. So if you are going to target any specific country, you can change the language. In this scenario, I'm going to go with English now. They have given these specific niches, such as interesting history, motivation, and more niches. You can select any of the niches, or you can enter your prompt here. I am going to select the interesting history and click on the generate. Now you will come to this page where all the magic happens. You will see this pencil option. If you click on this, it will open a list of options in front of you. You can rewrite the script or make an edit to the script. I am going to try this option to make it more engaging and hit this arrow, then click this next button. Now you need to select an AI voice for your video. This AI tool provides you with more than 50 AI voices. All AI voices are ultra-realistic, and the best part is that you get access to any AI voice from 11 Labs through this, unlike the other AI tools. This one has the best AI voices. I'm going to select this voice, which is called Josh, then click the next button. Now this part is very important. As you can see here, this says one footage for every 2.5 seconds, which means they will put one image for every 2.5 seconds. You can either increase this duration or decrease it for this video. I will set it to 2.5 seconds using these options. You can edit the video if you want to add smooth transitions, activate this one. If you want to add different sound effects, activate this one, and so on. You can enable or disable it as per your choice. I would recommend you activate all four. It will increase the quality of your video. Then click Generate within a few seconds. This AI will create an entire video. Okay? So our video is created. Let's watch the video. About the secret histories of the objects you encounter every day, let's embark on a thrilling journey through time and uncover the surprising stories behind these familiar items. Take the simple pencil. Who would have thought its roots can be traced back to ancient Egypt, where scribes used reeds to create marks? Or that the lead in pencils, graphite, was once so precious it was dubbed black gold? Chairs, a common sight in homes and offices, have a fascinating past too. They were once a symbol of power and status, only accessible to the elite. In medieval Europe, only the king could sit on a chair with arms. And let's not forget about doors, an everyday item we often overlook. That's amazing. If you have tried to create videos like this, you may probably know how difficult and time-consuming it is to create images for a script. But this AI has done it within minutes, and it has also added emojis to this. Now let's say you don't like this style or colors. You can edit those using this side menu. You can change the text colors and placements, and you can add new emojis as well. If you go with this style, you will be able to replace this caption with these pre-made templates. You can edit the motions. Let's say you want to add more images that you created separately. You can easily add those to this video by uploading those to here, editing all the things you want. You can pay and download this video without any watermarks. If you are planning to invest some money on YouTube, this AI would be the best. It has 3 packages. The first one is for $19 a month, which includes 20 short videos a month. The second one is for $39 a month. It has 50 videos. And the Pro Edition is $68 a month. It has 100 short videos a month. So that's it. From today's video, I hope you learned something new. If you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will see you in the next one.